me about Ghana to assembly cars. These are, as I say, Sanyo, Sanyo, my working up at Ghana, me no tia, yes, that is me more the room. Not digitalization, yeka. Now, Samba, I don't hear the question, party, no. But the ministry of I have ministerial job. I let you do Oba. Now, say, machine, you always say, I come with the I call you for front. What is your career? I want to be sure that's why I let you my teeth and then get a jacket. Nyame Osrewa, why you say aboy gan. Upon you tibiano, asam to kwa wo you frame.
Enemy a song ne peace I watch 2024 MPP race Baumia or Alano. In that piece and means na minko to baby or brofum na metimi after some the baby tree. If you crash on a brofum no what I say, and I quote, past every vice president has been the chairman of the economic planning team in all governments of the Fourth Republic. Bawumia has been the economy itself since 2016, the chief promiser in the 2016 campaign. Unquote. I said, Dr. Bawumia, he's the economy of Ghana. Now you're the chief promiser. And a dear Nama shift to no aqua digitalization.
About what I did here in Haya to my Ghana for near. That is why I make a say. The offer digitalization, everybody knows it's under Ministry of Communication and governance, according to your constitution, are structured in the sense that we are on a human wedding. Oh, yeah. It is a digitalization about. Yeah, yes, at least we should applaud a president. Also, I'm not busy to somewhere then. I used to. Yeah, who's almost so yet a year, Juma. Yeah, who keep Obiaka was sort of in a free position. Obiaka was sort of combatino. And then also now, no one send it to money. What is what I can't want them over? About what is what I can't want them that?
He said, which they
yes, because if you don't show that, or Kakra, you're in the floor. But of course, are we helping the governance system now, Ghana? Yeah, can't say digitalization, say the Satan of Ghana, over. I'm just solving. Yeah, comparative analysis of digitalization and industrialization. Now, Ghana. Digitalization and industrialization. Even though digitalization no krano, and your modia. You compare digitalization and industrialization. They said, Ghana.
And then Ebo Backman, also in another piece, feature article, or can't say, Ubinka said digitalization in yet. Name on digitalization, in a couching it in a political message, a bit risky, riskier than Senka over couching a political message in and under industrialization. The Bob Backman, the honest kind, no, what you know what I'm saying?
And then, idea for it. Any other businessmen, upon so more they all applaud Alex Manton because I'm the one man. And only more or almost sector, any business. So, we don't want to move further. Yeah, can I say the party structures, yeah, man, party, she said, problem, yeah, man, yes, I know. Now, two members from the same government, now, so be a digital, your friend, manner. Yeah, compare the digitalization and industrialization. So, just campaign. They don't go. Here, ready, a Kuta Ghana to see Emma Ghana, Enyaska, Ghana, Juma.
You, Adia Ura Ibrahim Bodi, Upuman, yɛde besia na ahoboa ahead of December 20 national conference dia na moye
national conference here yeah welcome MPP government and MPP party for Asante region. Yeah welcome MPP government and MPP party yeah now just say involved obia quite apart from that yeah special welcome for Alan Chamantin because we your friends say host and win. We host and win. And as Santiman, you are prepare ye. And Nanti and Mamba when you are prepare ye. You have a part, you know. Now, especially Alan Kojo Chamantin, yes, Siam, Sonom Koso. It's not all for my catcher. Maybe support on that. And then we will call for your call. And then Kufuado, yes, when you know. Ya didn't want to tell an Kufuado on Kobium election call. The whole Kobium, yeah, and Kufuado drawn a card will live on. Say, I say, my thing, but in my jail, or say, President and what be. It is another year, yeah, more building. Nippon didn't pay Mulim. Hey, Alex, Alex, my thing. Yeah, can say, offer, yeah, my part in a tradition, and Yajuma. Part in a tradition, say, a so. And for can be Kufuado. A draw the man. A Kufuado, I can be at Alan. A do so. And then the Nipabi, I am a China. What's the part, you know? When I'm winning forever. And to you, more than the bar. But you have control. But we are here. Now, my money direction on the Moko Fana brain. Of I did too many. It's Yami Adam on the 18th to 20th. No. Yeah, welcome, Alan. I will host and win. Ashanti region, then they offer.
As I'm serious about going see meeting as we the Mamma Country was there for the best area. And over 16 meeting, you know. And now, we can say, yeah, the tradition, any service, the year, you may know. And any pen be so just there be a chip of an old block, whereby say, yeah, or Dankwa block, and a Ubusia block, and a Udomo block. And it says, yonder a Drew Domo block. The way now. You see, in a quadrant, Konyaku meeting, and a actually baby as a drew domoso. But I could be an announce, hey, yeah, mommy, I'm sure we see you, no, dear, and ye. I say, a chief domo, Nana Precope. I a friend Dinah. Nana, I know a woman organizer. I coco pray Senka Jarapa. Yam finding you DC. Yeah. They also Jinama domo block no, or no when to me and Shama, yam for DC no, your day. Ah, my Dinah. And your buffer dinosaur. Your buffer dinosaur no. Nipa na ye ni DC. So won't